All right, so the next talk is by Smeele, using virtual research environment desktop to synchronize iRODS data.
Well, there you are. We all know that the laptops are not sufficient anymore, so we need to, do calculations in the cloud on those national infrastructures. And if we want to do that interactively, not job scheduling, but then we use a virtual research environment, in short, a VRE. The trouble with that is that most, or at least a lot of researchers, they're not familiar with using command line. So if they want to have their lovely iRODS data in this environment and get the results back again, they're in trouble. So that's why we created a very small Python wrapper around iRODS, which I'm going to demonstrate actually. So this is actually, we're looking at, via the browser, accessing a desktop in the cloud. And this is actually a MATLAB-based environment, so they could run MATLAB. But then if they want to do synchronization of data, the idea is that there's a minimalistic interface, only a few buttons. So you could select a local folder to work with, say documents. Well, I could create a folder here. Oop. Oh. Is a AZERTY keyword, so this is odd. So that's fine. I'll use that one. So I've selected my local folder. Now I'm looking at an iRODS server. In our case, a Yoda server. Here's a file set. So I'm really selecting here through the collections that are available to me. And I'll say, I'll retrieve that data. I have the option to retrieve or save. And this is your familiar, oops, let me look at this. Your familiar rsync output in a job using rsync. It's a matter of seconds before you get your data in your virtual environment. That's it. It's only a few lines of Python code and open for anyone who wants to use it and enhance it. Thank you. Any questions?
Any questions? Got
Sure.
one right here.
Oh.
So do you hard code the username and password in the script?
No. Well, I mean, currently using the iRODS environment, but authentication should be part of the menu, of course. Yeah, so that's the next step. Okay. It's still prototype. In fact, this was used by researchers already. So we have another menu item, I select, which really selects your iRODS environment, sets the proper configuration. You just enter your credentials. And then use this one, yeah. But that's the next edition. Any other? So this is all, it's GTK using GTK plus, yeah.
All
Python.
right. Well, we're at the handoff period.
There we are.
Thanks.
Thank you.